Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry graphics or red edges on screen in Over The Top WWI on PC. First, open the game and press the Escape key. Then go to Settings, Graphics, General. Here, find DLS and turn it off. Then click Save Changes. This often fixes blurry visuals. If the issue still appears, press Escape again, go to Settings, open Post-Processing, and turn Depth of Field off. Save the changes and check if the graphics look normal. If you are using an NVIDIA GPU, you can also adjust a setting in the NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on the desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel, then go to Adjust Image Settings with Preview and select Let the 3D application decide. Then, click Apply. After applying the changes, close the game and launch it again. One of these steps should help fix the blurry graphics or red edge issue. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.